Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I wanted to come on and show you the goodies that I got from Monica from Scrappin4myboys, and the gorgeous and amazing tag that she made me as well that I just, oh my god, it's going to hang right here in front of me. I just absolutely love it. She does just amazing work, and as we all know, Monica is a master with metals. And she had put some aside for me because she knows that I really love all the gears. So I'm not going to take them all out of the packages, but I will just show you the different gears that I got really quick just to kind of give you an idea. So this is one of them. Love it. I love them all. They're all so different. Oh, this one's different too. And then this one. Really cool, and there's quite a few of each one. And then this little one with that spiral. Look at that spiral in there. That is so cool. And these. They're all different sizes, which is what I absolutely love. And these. And these. I cannot wait to use these on some projects. And these, the smaller they get, the more I love them. Look at those, because you can actually turn them over and use them either way, but those are really cool. And then these itty-bitty ones, which are so sweet. Hope you can see them. That light keeps getting in the way. But those are my metals. So thank you so very much, Monica. Thank you for saving them for me. I can't wait to use them. They will all get used, trust me. I absolutely love them all. But now let's get to the wonderful and gorgeous, amazing tag that she made me. She did start it on, I believe she was on with me that night. I'm not sure. My mind doesn't remember a lot lately. But then she finished it when we weren't on live. But, oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? Look at the, first there's this gorgeous gear die on here. It's absolutely beautiful, and it almost looks like metal. And then the back, she took this paper and did these, I'm not sure if she used sprays or what she used, and then she put like gold, oh my gosh, embossing powder all over it. So it has texture to it. And there's even like a clear texture on here as well. But just look at the colors. Does that not have my name written all over it? And then, of course, it's got this purple bling. But then she used these gorgeous metal pieces. Look at that one with the clock and the gears. And then here's another gear. And then this one that looks like the inside of a clock. And then there's a little bling here, a bling here, 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 here. They're all over. And then this gorgeous heart in the center. Now, you would think that this would be super heavy because, you know, when she's making her cards, I'm always like, that's got to be really heavy. But it's actually not. It's not a real heavy card, which is so odd for the amount of metal that's on it. And then, of course, she went ahead and punched holes on the right and on the left, and then she put eyelets through them, which is just such a great idea. And then she used these little bitty corners on that corner and this corner. And then on the top, it's got this gorgeous piece of chain to hang it from. But look at what she put on the bottom. Is that not a gorgeous charm? It's a treble cloth, and it's beautiful. I believe that's a treble cloth because it's the one my daughter loves because she's in chorus. But isn't that gorgeous? That is just, I'm telling you, I'm hanging the card right here. I have all my stuff around me from everybody just sitting at places that when I'm crafting, I can just look around and be inspired by everybody's amazing creations. So this was so very sweet of Monica to do. I absolutely love it because I'm always trying to win one of her tags. And this, when she said she'd make me one, I just thought that was so super sweet. So thank you very much, Monica. And I will put a link in the description box below to Monica's channel at Scrappin4myboys, and you definitely want to check her out. She is a master with metals and paper flowers, what she can do with them. And if you go watch some of her videos, you will see. But make sure you subscribe to her and show her some love. She is an amazing crafter. Like I'm always saying, I've met so many amazing ladies that just make some absolutely gorgeous stuff. It's definitely very inspiring, and I'm always learning something new from everybody, because I may have been crafting a long time, but I'm telling you, I learn so much every day. I don't think we ever stop learning, and we just want to keep improving and getting better and learning new things, and that's one of the reasons I'm here. And I don't care how big you are or how small you are, there is something to learn from everybody, and I learn so much from everybody. So thank you all so very much for that. So thank you so very much, Monica, for the absolutely amazing tag. And again, thank you so much for saving these for me until I could get them. I really appreciate it, and I will be using them on a few projects, probably more than a few. So make sure you guys go check her out, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I am always live on Friday night and Thursday night with Maggie, and we always have a whole bunch of people on, and we're always welcoming new people to come and join us as well. So I wish you all a good evening. I will see you all soon. Don't forget to get out there and create something, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.